Hi everyone, welcome to Relax Knitting. Today we will learn the easiest and most popular way to cast on, the long tail cast on. For this, you need a long tail and your working yarn. Make a loop like this, twist it, insert your needle and tighten. And just like that, you have made your first two stitches. Now, hold both your yarns in your palm, close your bottom three fingers, separate them with index finger and a thumb to make a V. Go under the thumb yarn or the index yarn, pull through the loop, release and tighten. Under, over, release and tighten. Let's do another 10 stitches together. I like to tie a simple knot at the end. It makes the first row easier to knit. And there you go, you just casted on your first stitches. How long should the tail be? There are a couple of methods to measure it. Method 1. It needs to be 3 to 4 times the width of your finished work. If you know your piece will be 10 cm wide, then measure 40 cm. That's enough tail to comfortably cast on. Method 2 is if you don't know the exact size of the finished piece. Just take your needle and wrap the yarn around it 10 times. That length is exactly what you need for 10 stitches. So, if you need 30 stitches, just measure out that length 3 times and add another 10 to 15 centimeters just to be safe. And that's how you calculate exactly how much tail you need. How do you make your third stitch? You can use the method I showed you at the start. That creates 2 stitches. You can also start with a standard slip knot like this. Personally, I don't like that because it creates a hard knot you can feel later. Or simply hold the yarn on the needle, twist it to create a loop and start casting on. Try casting on with a needle one size bigger. It makes the stitches looser and easier to knit. Another method I really love, especially for beginners, is casting on over 2 needles held together. It's exactly the same steps. Make your slingshot V, but wrap the yarn around both needles at once. When you have cast on all your stitches, just slide one needle out. Now you have very uniform loose stitches ready for your first row. One last trick I use if you are running out of the tail but still need more stitches. Instead of starting over, you can actually switch the yarns. Swap them so you are using the working yarn to make the loop, not the tail. Make sure to put your index finger in the working yarn and your thumb in the tail. This uses less tail yarn, allowing you to squeeze another 5 or 7 stitches. That's how it's done. At the end, you can barely see where you swapped them. I hope you loved this tutorial. I am here to help beginners discover the joy of knitting through easy, cozy projects. If you are ready to relax, knit, and make something beautiful, then you have found your home here at Relax Knitting. If you enjoyed our time together, please like this video and subscribe.